Welcome, I'm Crafty Maryanne. Today let's make up some deviled eggs and egg salad as great ways to use up our Easter eggs. So if you have any questions on how to hard boil an egg or how to do the Easter diet, over the last couple weeks I've done some videos on that, so it'll be really easy to access for you if you'd like. Alright, so I have all the eggs peeled and I'm just going to cut them in half and collect up the yolks into the bowl. That way we can season it and pipe it back onto the deviled egg. And also, if you have any eggs that like it breaks or it tears or that doesn't come out quite right, save those. Put them in with the yolks, and that way you have a nice big full, really nice and full amount to fill the deviled eggs with. Alright, I got the yolks separated from the whites and everything ready to go. We just need to add a little salt, pepper, mayo, mustard, and then a dash of paprika on top. And we'll have some great deviled eggs. Here we go. We need a teaspoon of mustard. Now, whether you have Miracle Whip or mayonnaise is up to you. I personally don't like mayonnaise, so I use Miracle Whip. And we got that little bit of sprinkle of paprika on the top. And you know the best part about having deviled eggs? It's to eat them. Mmm. That is so good. Alright, I have 6 eggs. We're going to add to it some Miracle Whip, a little bit of mustard, salt, pepper, and onion powder. So I've done a lot of egg salad lately, and I've gotten used to just by seeing how much it is I need, but that doesn't really work when you're teaching somebody else a new recipe. That's why I had to scoop back out that Miracle Whip. Alright, now this is our onion powder. Sprinkle of black pepper, about 1/4 teaspoon. Fresh ground if possible. About a teaspoon of salt. And that's just to start. You'll probably need more like 1.5 teaspoons or 2 teaspoons by the time you're done. Well, thank you for joining me today with Crafty Maryanne and making these deviled eggs and this egg salad. It's been a lot of fun, and I look forward to hearing back from you. If you have any questions, leave it down in the questions and comments in the comment area. There will be directions and recipes in the description area. Thank you again. Have a great day.